Hey guys, welcome to Fire Foods. In today's video, I'll be making 4 different kinds of chocolate truffles. They're super delicious and easy to make, so let me show you how to do it and let's make some fire foods. First, we need to melt some chocolate. On a pan on medium heat, using a bowl on top, add your chocolate. I'll be using dark chocolate, but you're welcome to use whatever type you like. Once the chocolate has melted, transfer it into a bowl and let it cool down. Now we're going to roast some hazelnuts. Add your hazelnuts in a pan on medium-high heat and keep mixing them constantly so that it does not burn. Once they get golden in color, they are done. Add some of the hazelnuts to a blender and blend them halfway through. Add the blended hazelnuts to the melted dark chocolate and mix well. We're going to use this chocolate as an outer layer for all 4 types of chocolate truffles. The first one will be Oreo flavored truffle. Start by separating the cookie from the cream by twisting the Oreo, then removing the cream with a knife or a spoon into a separate bowl. And then repeat the process for all of them. Then we're going to add the Oreo cookie into a blender, then blend but not into a fine powder. Then we're going to sieve the cookie powder to separate the fine powder from the big pieces, as we're going to need them later for decoration. Add 3 tablespoons of almond milk, 1 teaspoon of chocolate syrup, then mix well until it forms a dough. Once you achieve this consistency, it is ready. Now to the cream, add 1/4 cup of blended oats, then mix well. When it looks like this, it is ready. Roll the Oreo dough that we made into a bowl. Then add the cream in the middle. The process. Now using a skewer, dip it into the melted chocolate, then coat it with some Oreo cookie crumbs. Place it on a plate and let it cool down in the fridge. For the next one, it will be hazelnut flavored truffle. You will need to blend half cup of roasted hazelnuts, half cup of dates paste, blend until it reaches the same consistency as shown here. Now we're going to add a single hazelnut into each one. Then roll it into a ball. Repeat the process for the rest. Dip each one into the melted chocolate and let them cool down on a tray with wax paper on top. Then finish them off by adding cocoa powder to counteract the sweetness. For the next one is going to be coconut flavored truffle. Into a blender, add half cup of blended oats, half cup of coconut shavings, and finally 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. And blend well. Once you get that same consistency, it is ready. Now form them into a ball. Then dip them into the melted chocolate. And finally add some coconut shavings. Place them onto a plate. And let them cool down in the fridge. For the last one is going to be peanut butter flavored truffle. In a blender, add half cup of peanut butter, half cup of blended oats, 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup, then blend until you achieve the same consistency. Roll into a bowl and place them onto a plate. Then dip each one into the melted chocolate. And let them cool down in the fridge. And here you guys have it. They're absolutely delicious and super easy to make. Try this recipe and I'm sure you're gonna love it. And that's the end of the video, guys. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell to get notified for upcoming new videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.